What's up, my friends? Welcome to the channel. I'm Scotty James, and this is the Hellraisin Hellraiser channel. We are all about having fun and raising hell in my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody and my 1994 25th anniversary Pontiac Trans Am. Now guys, today's video is going to be the first installment in a very special series of videos that I've made for you guys. It's all about my first trip to the Mopar Meet in the Mountains, which is held every year in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Now I know a lot of you are probably wondering, what in the world is Mopar Meet in the Mountains? Now the Mopar Meet in the Mountains is held every year in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It's a 4-day event, 5 if you want to stay for the Monday breakfast. Thursday night they have a meet and greet where everyone gets together at a restaurant and we just hang out just like a Cars and Coffee. Friday there's an escorted cruise through Gatlinburg, and then everyone's free to go on cruises around the mountains. There's a bunch of different mountain cruises you can take. They're unguided, but there are plenty of people that'll show you around and take you where you need to go. And Friday night they have a light show, which unfortunately I missed because I was out cruising too late. But I did get to see a lot of the guys' light rigs in the hotel parking lot. And let me tell you, it's a must see because some of these guys go all out. Saturday is the big car show at the Smoky Stadium, and they also have an autocross, which I participated in. And then Saturday evening after the car show, they have drag racing at the English Mountain Raceway, which I also missed because I was out cruising too late, which I don't really regret too much because I had a blast cruising with my buddies. Now Sunday I had to go home, but if you hang around for Monday for the farewell breakfast, Sunday's just a day to kind of recoup, cruise around, hang out with your friends, whatever you want to do. And then of course Monday they have a farewell breakfast. That's pretty much Meet in the Mountains in a nutshell. So in this first episode of the Hellraisin Hellraiser Goes to Meet in the Mountains, we're gonna hook up with Mopower from Ohio and Cincinnati and Caravan down to the event. So without further ado, let's hit the road. All right guys, we're here near Cincinnati, and the Hellraisin Hellraiser is hooking up with Mopower of Ohio Mopar Car Club. So let's check out the rides, guys. Of course, here's the Hellraiser covered with cicadas from on the way down. They're supposed to get even worse in Tennessee. Alright guys, we're getting ready to head out. Mopar Meet in the Mountains with Mopower, Mopar Club from Ohio. Down into the Ohio Valley now. A little more scenic. The highway's kind of shitty looking, but the hills are looking pretty cool. I think we're about to cross the Ohio River, guys. Welcome to Kentucky, guys. nice orange RT. Oh, nice fucking car. Starting to look really beautiful down here, guys. Out here are just spectacular. It's awesome. This Challenger in front of us belongs to a lady named Raven. She's got the pink camo, which she said used to be green. She just did it pink, and it looks really good. It even has pink spike lug nuts. I really like her car, man. It just looks dope, man. We'll have to get some close-up footage of it once we arrive. We are now entering Tennessee.
Welcome to Tennessee.
Google Maps says welcome to Tennessee. Man, guys, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's weird. It's almost like the hills got instantly bigger when we hit the Tennessee border. Hell yeah. Damn, guys, this looks like we're going off the edge of the world here. Lamar in front of us. He's the president of the Mopower Club of Ohio. Pretty cool guy. He's got a really nice Challenger. Got some sweet wheels on it. We're gonna have to get some more close-ups of that too. Man, look at these hills, guys. It's beautiful down here, man. Put it in track mode through them curves, guys. Man, this road is pretty cool, guys. Back into Olive. That was a cool road, man. We're about 30 minutes from the hotel, guys. We need track mode again? I think we might. Well, I figure those guys are going up to their cabin. We're going to the hotel. Well, guys, we made it. We're here at the Ramsey Hotel at the Mopar meet in the mountains. We're gonna go check in and then we're gonna go to the meet and greet. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in. And if you liked today's video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel below. I greatly appreciate it, and it really helps the channel a lot. And on the next episode of the Hellraisin Hellraiser Goes to Meet in the Mountains, we're gonna go to the meet and greet and show you all the killer cars and a lot of the cool people I got to meet. And we'll see you next time on the Hellraisin Hellraiser channel.